This video shows how to install the Siren 3 Pro and connect it to the NMEA 2000 backbone. Activation of the mobile app and installation of each wireless sensor type will be demonstrated in separate videos. Remove the sleeve and unbox the Siren 3 Pro. Remove the mounting bracket from the back of the unit. And peel off the sticker. Unfasten the 4 fasteners. And remove the cover. Now connect the internal battery to the connector on the unit and tuck the wires away. Replace the cover and resecure the 4 fasteners. Use caution not to over-torque or tighten so as not to crack the battery door. Locate the provided antennas. The wider cellular antenna threads onto the fitting labeled cellular. The narrower sensor antenna threads onto the fitting labeled wireless sensor. Thread the sensors on finger tight. Unbox the wiring harness and locate the wires for the battery connections. Look for the wires with the 5 amp inline fuses. The red wire is the positive lead for a single battery, the brown wire is the positive lead for a secondary battery, and they share a single black ground wire. Strip back the wires and crimp on the appropriate crimp connector for the battery peg size. And heat shrink the connectors. Connect the red lead to the positive terminal on the starting battery to be powered 24/7. And connect the black ground lead to the negative terminal. Again, the brown wire would be used for a second or house battery. The remaining wires should be terminated at a terminal strip. Determine a mounting location for the Siren 3 Pro. It's important for the unit to be vertical with the antennas pointing up. Fasten the mounting bracket in place using the 4 supplied fasteners. And nest the Siren 3 Pro in the mounting bracket. Now connect the other end of the harness to the Siren 3 Pro port labeled Harness 1. Ensure the notch on the harness aligns with the notch on the port. Once the unit is mounted and connected to power, check the indicator lights. The lights denote cellular, GPS, sensors, and NMEA 2000. Flashing green indicates the connection is pending, and solid green indicates successful connection. Connect the Siren 3 Pro to the NMEA 2000 backbone using a drop cable. A NMEA 2000 kit is available from Siren Marine to facilitate installation if there are no open T's on the backbone. This can be installed as shown in this video. Locate the CAN bus network and remove the terminator cap. Then thread on the T connector supplied in the kit. And replace the terminator cap. Now connect the supplied 5-pin harness to the CAN line network. Then thread the other end of the harness into the second input on the Siren 3 Pro labeled NMEA 2000. When the connection is established, the NMEA 2000 indicator light will turn solid green. Connecting the Siren 3 Pro to the NMEA 2000 allows the device to read data fed into the network such as tank levels, RPM, speed, engine hours, and oil pressure on equipped models. The motors need to be run for approximately 20 minutes to allow the NMEA network to register and display on the Siren Marine mobile app. If you have any questions, please refer to the applicable Siren Marine manual. Thanks for watching.